Hey, this is Rudy with Horvey Homestead. I got myself in a predicament today. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and continue to watch as I almost rolled the skid steer.
So it's March, end of March, freezing cold, and I couldn't see where I was going, and we have a dump out here, and I almost rolled the skid steer. You can't really see the angle of it, but it's scary when you're inside. I don't know what to do. So do's and don'ts of the farm, know where you're going. So my phone died, so I couldn't really make a video of me actually getting out, but I'll show you what I did. And I only have a couple minutes of battery left on this thing. I don't know why, when they get cold they eat batteries. It's gonna be a little wobbly. So that's where it was. It's kind of hard. Let Steve jump down in the hole, Steve, so you can see how it, yeah. So you got to think the skid steer tracks were down by Steve. The other ones were on that. And we backed it up and kept pushing with the forks like this. And finally got it spun around to go down the hill. And there it is, done. You know what we got to say? Like a boss. Yeah.